I'm talking way too loud, and if you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that.
I think I'm the first one. 2 other colleagues are also coming, so should be okay. Hi amiga, what is up and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jennyfer Ross and I am back at it again with another vlog. This vlog is going to be a weekend vlog. It is currently Saturday as I'm filming right now, but we have an extended weekend since Monday is a national holiday, or like I think it's worldwide. I'm not sure. I don't know what day it is exact or what it's called in English, so I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, it's gonna be an extended weekend. I have some plans for today, tomorrow, and on Monday. Today I'm working at the office. I am working here with 2 other colleagues. We're doing the weekend shift. That is Cedric and also Lieselotte. I absolutely love them. They are a few of my favorite colleagues, so when they asked me like, should we work at the office, I was like, yes. Even though I don't like to come to the office in the weekends, I don't do it very often. So yeah, it's a change, and hopefully it will help me be productive, get my job done, and you know, get my shit done today. So that's what we're doing today. I picked up a few things at the supermarket this morning. Cedric is picking up sandwiches, charcuterie for on the little sandwiches and stuff, and it's promising to be a very nice day, so I'm here for it. And yeah, I thought, why not vlog this, vlog a little weekend in my life. So I'm trying to get back into the swing of things and slowly pick back up on the vlogs. So yeah, work with me today and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos from me, and we're gonna go ahead and get into it. So I think like a few videos ago, I also did a video like this where I worked from home, and I got a lot of questions about what I do, what my job includes. So I thought like it would be very appropriate to tell you what my job is. My job is keeping track of all social media platforms that we are on as this big business. That is quite a few, you know. We have Instagram, we have Facebook, Twitter, and what else? LinkedIn, I think we also have. And we also have like apps that people can like fill in that in which they rate our services and stuff. So I keep track on all of those, make sure that customers behave and that they're like following all the guidelines. It also means routing people to a solution, whether that is like if they have like problems with their services, I help them out. So I'm an all-round kind of person, and that's basically what my job entails. Every day looks different, but I really enjoy it. I have been doing this job since 2018. That is 5 years already. And this week I also had a conversation with one of my managers in which we spoke like about my future career goals, and I told him that I still really like this job. It really suits me. We have like weekend shifts, as I told you before, because I am here on Saturday. You know, we have like an at the office policy after COVID, and that means that you have to work 40% at the office in each quarter, weekends included. If you want to, you can fill it out the way you want. So that's all great. This job offers me a lot of flexibility, and I feel like it really suits me because I am a very social person. I love social media. I do like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, all of that myself, and this is just really something that I can learn a lot of, and I feel like they cross each other and like mix perfectly fine. So that's why this is my perfect job at the moment. I'm very specific about what I want, and still after 5 years I find a lot of joy in doing this job. I just try to make things positive for myself, see like how can I make every day count, how can I make every day fun. Of course, every job, everything in life has its ups and downs, so does this job, you know. So there are more fun times and there are times in which you don't feel your best, but that's normal, I think. But overall, I am still very, very happy doing this, so I would like to keep it that way for now, unless there's something that really, really suits me come to on my path, and then I'll be ready for that, you know, when that comes. But yeah, that's what I do. I hope this is helpful. I've already started up my computer, so I'm going to read all my emails and make sure that I'm up to date with everything that is going on. Maybe make a little game plan for the day and see what's up, you know? So yeah. This is my vision board for 2023. I always like to take some time to take in the little mood board at the beginning of the day or at the end of the day. It first of all gives me a lot of positive vibes. It gives me like an overview of how far I am with my goals and dreams for 2023. And it's just a reminder, you know, what I'm doing it all for. So I like to do that every morning, take it in and see where I'm at, how many things I still need to accomplish, and yeah. So that's a little tip for you if you also have a vision board. Don't like just create a vision board and just shove it in a drawer where you never see it. Keep it on your phone or on your desktop where you need to open it every day, and then take it in every time you open your computer. Like, try to look at the pictures and see what you've already accomplished, what you can still do, things like that. I also made a quick stop at the supermarket this morning, so let me share with you what I got for the day. I have 2 pastries, a big bottle of water, and this needs to be done by the end of the day. You know, we gotta make sure we stay hydrated. Got some cookies for my colleagues and also some crispy covered nuts, so we have something to snack on during the day. I have yogurt, like a lot of them, so if the other colleagues want some, they can also have some. And then also diabetes supplies. I need to still take my vitamins, so let me do that right now. This little thing, I keep all my vitamins. I am taking prenatal vitamins, vitamin D to keep myself happy. I'm taking omega-7 pills and also a hair vitamin. Take your vitamins, guys. Get yourself checked up every now and then to see if you're deficient in anything. I'm really on top of my vitamin intake now since I found out that I have diabetes. Even though we're not going to talk about that too much because I feel like I talk about that in every single video. So anyways, be on top of your stuff. Get your blood work checked out and see if you're deficient in anything, you know? Deficiencies in any type of vitamin can really determine how you feel. It can affect your health and how you go through life and everything. So that sounded really deep, but you get what I'm saying, right? Anyways, I'm going to shut up now and just start setting up, you know? My colleague is here! Yay!
How are you guys? I miss a lot. I'm an influencer from Belgium.
Yes, she is! How are you, babes?
Good.
Good?
You?
I'm good.
Had a great evening yesterday.
Yes.
Yeah.
I didn't do shit. Yeah.
You're right.
But instead of saying that like that, I rested. I took time to myself. I spent some time with myself.
You have to do that too.
You're right?
Yeah, I worked the evening last night and I was
Oh
so
my
happy
God.
it was over.
Oh, it was a short night then because
It
you had
was
to
a
go.
short night, yeah. I'm very tired actually.
Oh,
But
it's
we'll
gonna be
okay.
fine. We're
A
gonna
lot
make
of
a
coffee.
party today.
Yeah.
Yes.
And look what I have with me.
What?
I don't know if you can hear it, but
What is it? Oh, je hebt ook snackies. Ja, die mag ik. Ja, ook.
ik heb nog.
Ja, ik moet gewoon zelf een beetje controle
Ah, wel
houden.
ja, dus deze, ik dacht dat die zijn echt oké. Die zijn
Ja,
golden
ja.
baked met Syrian herbs.
Super lekker. Ja. Ik heb ook wat dingetjes gebracht. Ik heb zo'n nootjes en Pim's koekjes voor jullie. En als jullie het willen, ook oikos, yoghurtjes. Ja.
En
Die brengt ook van alles mee, ja. Oh, see, we all came prepared. We're gonna survive. Yes. Anyways, we will check in later, okay? Bye. We are ready for our first break. Get some sun rays. Yes, yes. We need it.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets.
Sunny! Oh my God! I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. Oh no, I didn't see you. The sun is sunning. I'm sorry, baby. No, don't do that.
You want some love like when you feel caught in the midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. Yeah. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Show ya. Show me the car where you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it. I done this before you fall.
We outside. Hey. Yeah, we moved outside because it was too hot in the office. And this is Belgium, you know. You need to take advantage of the sun when it's there. So that's what we're doing. Work with us.
She don't love money. She break grass real fast like gunman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy. I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all the night?
Alles eraan is
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, build empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Hate that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it.
Hey amiga, it is now Sunday. I have worked the whole day today and I have just not been feeling that great. You know, I've been feeling a little bit nauseous today. Sometimes that just happens when you have diabetes. So yeah, today was one of those days. But since you saw me working yesterday, I thought it would be okay to not really film that, me working at home. So yeah, basically that's what I did. After work, I had my dinner on my little balcony and I've read a little bit out of my book. And now it's really time to shower, wash my hair, maybe pluck my eyebrows. Just basically do like my little Sunday self-care routine. And tomorrow we are invited at Shaida's. So therefore I would like for my hair to be washed and clean and all that. So I'm not really sure yet if I'm gonna do my curly hair routine or if I should do like just blow dry my hair and have it dry. I think that would be easier though. I might do that. But anyways, I'm gonna hop in the shower and get myself together for the new week. So yeah. putting body lotion on and all of that, brushed my teeth, everything. I'm now gonna I am now going to take care of my hair, and by that I mean I'm just gonna apply some of my Chi Silk Infusion, and the rest I will do that tomorrow because I am not feeling great at all. Don't feel like dealing with my hair right now. So I'll see tomorrow morning what I'll do, but for now, some Chi will do. And then I'll do the same on the other side. I think I'll do like a face mask and stuff tomorrow morning because I was planning on doing it today, but girl, I don't feel good. Yeah? That's why you're trying to make noise in my video, no?
Sorry.
Okay, tomorrow morning I'll figure out what I want to do with this hair. Because right now, pluck my eyebrows and shave my face tomorrow morning. But I will share with you my 5-step skincare routine. First step is to tone with my Cuddly toner. This is Divino Pure. I just put a little bit of that on my cotton pad and then just go over my face. This really helps with blemishes and all that, you know. Just a little bit of dirt still. Just interesting because I haven't had makeup on all day and then I just showered and washed my hair. How is there dirt on my face? Next step is the serum. This is Divino Pure Serum. I take like 2 pumps of that. This is my second bottle, by the way. I just bought this one last week, but I loved it so much ever since I collaborated with them. So I decided to restock. I knew that was gonna happen because when I did it for the collaboration, it was such a good serum. It helped so much with all my blemishes and stuff, so I love it. And it smells so good. It smells like a Sour Patch, like the grape Sour Patch, the green ones. It smells like that. And next up I go in with my night cream. This is the L'Oreal Hydra Active Tree. And I just take a little bit on my finger and then go over my face. Absolutely adore this cream, it's so good. I just massage that into my face. Then add like a drainage. And then for under my eyes, I like the Cicaplast from La Roche-Posay. A little dot will do the job. And even that is always too much, so I just apply it under my eye. What I have left, I just apply onto my skin as well. But this is just the best thing ever. Last and final step is my Aquaphor for my lips. Just take a little bit of that as well because a little bit goes a long way, and apply it to my lips. Perfect moisturizer, and then in the morning my lips are super soft. That is it for my little Sunday hair washing and self-care routine. I always do this on my Sunday, and I just need it for my hair to be clean and just to start my week off fresh. I'm going to crawl into my bed, rest, relax. I do have to say also that I worked today, and while I was working I didn't take all of my breaks. And every time I do that, I end up nauseous. So, a little reminder to you, if you have your breaks during your work time, take your breaks. It is important, it helps with focus. Breaks are there to take, and you need to take them, and otherwise you will end up feeling nauseous, like me. So, that's not the move. And I'm disappointed that I did that. But what can I do? I need to relax now in order to feel better, you know? So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, amiga. It is now the next day, and I am doing laundry. So my room looks disheveled. It's a big mess. So I'm doing that off camera, and now I am going to tackle my hair, do like some maintenance skincare situation on my face. So I thought I would pick back up on the vlog right now. I woke up feeling much better than I did yesterday, so that's great. But sometimes I do have some of those days when I just have to work, when I don't take my breaks. I just always end up regretting it afterwards. So that was that. But now on to today, I'm gonna start like slowly getting ready to go see my friend and her babies. I am so excited. Haven't seen baby Azar in a while, and Yovi either. I think the last time I saw Yovi was in February or something. It's been a while. Not good, not okay, but everyone is busy living life. So today's the day that I'm gonna see them, and I'm excited. We're gonna get ready and get started with this day. I'm gonna listen to music and blow dry my hair.
I've heard new love is so beautiful. Time is what makes it ugly. But time after time and through every turn in this life, I could use some stability. We fly and we fall, but we don't fall apart. Break after break, each piece of my heart. Lovers have come and lovers have gone, but you still feel like right when the whole world feels wrong. They say history repeats itself, but a memory is for the shelf. Well, I replay the moments and years of our lives while I'm praying and hoping there will always be you and I.
Okay, amiga, I'm showered, lotioned up, and I'm now going to do my little makeup. It's not going to be anything special, just like something to look more put together. Okay, so I'm gonna roll a little b-roll of me doing my makeup.
Same way you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Gon' be home, though I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no way.
Alright, amiga, I am ready for the day. I did my makeup, got dressed. Just simple, a blouse with some jeans, like really basic, and slides. And I think we're gonna head out in a little bit. Not really sure yet if I should bring my camera or not, because you know, sometimes the quality is better on my camera, but at the same time my phone is easier. I'll figure it out, we'll see. But I will continue to vlog like a few clips when we go to Shaida. So yeah, ready. Let's go where? Heb je gewonnen?
Ja, van boksen.
Oh, nice. Hey. Hallo, schatje. Hi. Hi. Hey, Lucie. Wie is dat? Is dat de baby Azar? Is dat baby Azar? Of wie is dat? Nee. Wie is dat? Wie is dat? Wie is dat? Tje van Tante. Is
Is dat een schatje van Tanti? Ja, is dat een Tanti? Hé? Nee. Yeah, he's so cute. Ja. Zo gezellig, hè, schat? Ja. Hey, Nata. Schattie.
So amiga, it is now the next morning. I am on my balcony having my breakfast and I wanted to end this video here. I really enjoyed this weekend, even though I had to work on Saturday and Sunday, but I really enjoyed like switching it up, going to the office on Saturday, Sunday working from home, even though I learned the lesson that it's really important to take my breaks because I was not feeling good afterwards at all. And yesterday was such a wholesome day with our friends. We had the best time. Shaida cooked the most delicious meals, even though I didn't film all of it, but it was so delicious. And the baby Azar is so cute. He is a dream baby. He is not crying at all. So cute. And so, I don't know, he just makes my heart feel so full. So I really enjoyed filming this video and creating it for you guys. So hopefully you really enjoy it, and I hope to be back with you soon with more content, determined to be more present on my channel again. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me, and I hope to see you very shortly in another video. Mwah. Bye.